Hey guys, on this episode of Unusual Foods, I'll be doing a taste test of this, which is the Framberry. The Framberry is a, look at all this dockweed. The Framberry is a mix of a raspberry and a strawberry. So I'm curious to see how this tastes because the smell is unreal. Like it smells so good, and it's just this tiny, I only have this tiny one little plant, and a couple of the berries, they were almost ripe the other day. I went for a long hike, I come back, and now one of them is overripe and half eaten by something. I got two that are good, so it's good. We can at least try this one out. So yeah, some sort of half hybrid mix of a strawberry and a raspberry. What I've noticed about these berries is they're really round. Like the shape of them is like a very round. With strawberries, they have like a more of a pointed shape, and then the divots where those little seeds are on the outside is more pronounced, where this is just kind of smooth, but it still has these seeds on the outside. So it has like a smell that's very, very strong of both strawberry and raspberry. It's like, it smells so good right here. So let's try this out. Actually I've got three, and one of them is half eaten. So I've got one that looks like it's slightly underripe, two that are perfectly ripe, and one kind of rotten one. So, oh, this one's got a bug inside. Oh, jerk beetle. Okay, we'll get rid of the jerk beetle and then eat the other half of that one. This one has a bite out of it too, but that's fine. You can share with nature. Make sure there's no jerk beetles in here. Okay, so this one's good. This one's pretty ripe. It smells like just perfection. Oh my God. Oh, that is so good. That is so good. Usually there's like more exotic things are my favorite fruits, but man, that might be up there in like the top 5. That's so good. It tastes exactly like a mix of both. It's like you're eating one of each. I'd be curious to try a strawberry and a raspberry at the same time and see if it tastes the same. It's so sugary and strong. We gotta eat this one too. There's 2 jerk beetles here. Gotta get these guys out of here. Away you go. Sorry guys, it's not yours, it's mine. Oh, there's another one in there. 3 jerk beetles. These jumping jerk beetles, they're out of here. I don't even care that they were eating this. I gotta eat this. Oh, it's like, it's so good. It's so good. I want a whole field of these things. So here, I'll show you the tag. So if you can find this one, because I did buy this one. So 100% try this one if you can get your hands on it. It's so good. We got one rotten one, which, oh, it's overripe. Whatever, YOLO. That one tastes fermented and kind of weird. This one, okay, so this one I thought was underripe. This was actually perfectly ripe. Framberry. Framberry? Framberry. Oh. It's so good. That's the only way to describe it. It's just sugary, sweet, strawberry, raspberry mix. It's exactly as advertised. So try it out if you can find it. Hopefully you enjoyed this episode. Be sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, all that good stuff. And until next one, have a great day.